Hello everyone, welcome to an extraordinary journey into the world of Microsoft Excel, where we will reveal the secrets of this powerful software and unleash its full potential. Whether you are a spreadsheet newbie or a seasoned pro, our Excel tutorials are designed to take you from ordinary to extraordinary. Get ready to master these time-saving shortcuts, conquer complex formulas, and conquer data like a true Excel pro. Our step-by-step guidance and real-world example will empower you to tackle any data challenge with confidence. No more struggling with spreadsheets or scratching your head over pivot chart tables. It's time to elevate your skills and embrace the power of Excel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our enlightening Excel tutorials. Let's embark on this incredible journey together. So get ready to unlock Excel's hidden powers and amaze yourself with what you can achieve. Join our community of learners and let's create some Excel Pro community. So, um, let's continue. So today we are going to learn on how to calculate percentages and discounts in Excel. So, and what will help us to calculate these percentages and discounts is what we call referencing in Excel. As you can see, we've written here the name Joe. So if we wanted to find out where Joe is located, that's what referencing is. It is to refer to the source. We'll just come and click on B column, not clicking, actually go to B column and number 2 row, and that's where we will get Joe. So we'll get it in B2. That's Excel in B2. That's how referencing is done in Excel. All right, so we have three types of referencing. We have relative referencing, absolute referencing, and mixed referencing. And the formula for all those I've written here, but don't worry about that. I will explain it as we go on. So for relative referencing, it's by default. It's very easy. We calculate a single value. Like if we wanted to just calculate the product of this 100 and maybe this 55, what we'll just do is we will come and click that cell which has a 100. Sorry, let me repeat. You have to put equal sign. So click on that 100 and then put a product sign and then click on the 55, just like that, and voila, there it is. It's very simple like that. You don't have to have a complicated formula for relative referencing. It is by default. Then we have absolute referencing. For absolute referencing, we use one single anchor to calculate all the other values. We use one single anchor to calculate all the other values. Like as for now, we have this group shares and we have all this amount, and we want to calculate 10% of all of it. So 10% will be our anchor for calculating the rest of the numbers. That's how it will be. We will see it in detail. And then we have for mixed referencing, sorry. So for mixed referencing, we calculate mixed values with one single formula, and we calculate it with multiple other values. Like we just use one formula to calculate multiple other values. You will see what I mean as we continue. It's not hard, it is simple. That just stick with us and learn something new today. I told you you will be a Excel Pro by the end of these tutorials that we'll be doing. All right, so relative referencing, you just can say equal. Assume I just want to calculate the products of these numbers. Now let me call it numbers, not shares. If I call it shares, it will confuse you. These numbers. So I will just come and say 99, and then the product of with the product of 100. That way. So it has the product of 99 and 100 is 9,900. So if I wanted it to calculate for the rest, I don't have to go typing the formula. I just come here and just drag it down like that, and it's finished. That's relative referencing. For absolute referencing, you have to come and let's type the formula together. So you come and type equal sign, and then click on the anchor, your anchor, the anchor that you want to calculate the rest. So for us, it is 10% and it is E7, as you can see. So what we do, you just come and put a dollar sign before the E and a dollar sign before the 7. Please make sure you put that dollar sign, and then you put the product, because we want 10%. It is multiplication sign, and then come and click the number that now you want to apply, and just click enter like that. As you can see, we have 9.9. That's a 10% of 99. And then again, you just come and drag the cell like that, which has the formula that you wanted to do. So as you can see, we have the 10% of all these shares. Now we want to do for group 2. We don't have to again go and type the formula. As you know, for now we just go drag like that, and then drag it down to where you want your data to be. And as you can see, in just a few seconds, we've already calculated the 10% of all this. And as if we were using calculator, that would have taken some minutes, but we finished, thank God, for Excel. All right, so for mixed referencing, assume we had a 3-day offer of prices of some products in Extreme Supermarket. Assume we had the so this is the biscuit A and the original price, biscuit B the original price, and biscuit C and the original price. So maybe we say in the first day we want to give offer for biscuit A, and it will be 30%. On second day, biscuit B 20% reduction price, and on the third day, biscuit C 10% of the reduction price. Or even if assume it is all in one day, but we just want to give 30% to biscuit A, that's the reduction price, and 20% to biscuit B, and 10% to biscuit C. So what will we do? We just come here and calculate and put the formula. So you just come and put the equal sign, and then click on the price that you wanted to calculate, and then put a product sign. Since we are doing the percentage, we have to multiply. Open the parenthesis, and then put 1 minus. Why 1 minus? Is because here we don't want that number that we will again come to 100 and then minus it. No, we just want exact reduced price. Here already calculated 30%, and then the reduced price, the price that we will sell it. And then after doing that, you come to the cell which has your percentage, close the parenthesis, and then come here on that cell of percentage, put a dollar sign before it like that, and then click enter. As you can see, we have 70. 70 is a reduced price, 30% over 100. Okay, let's drag this one to apply to the rest. And there it is. All right, so if we wanted this one to apply, I just wrote some numbers here because I just wanted to show you. So if we wanted it to apply to this one, I'll just come here and drag it towards, sorry, I'll just come here and drag it to, how is opening in my computer, to my right, yes, and just drag it down like that. Yes, and there we have. So about mixed referencing, you saw we type one formula right here, but that formula it gave us 30% of 100, and it also helped us to calculate 20% of 110, not 30% of 110. but 20% of 110, 10% of 90. It came even and calculated the 5% of 80. And it continued the same formula from here. It continued to calculate 30% of 40, 20% of 90, 10% of 10, and even 5% of 0, and it gave us 0 here. That's how mixed referencing is, as in it uses one formula to calculate several multiple values. And yes, that's it. I hope you've learned something new, and thank you so much for learning with us. Kindly subscribe on our YouTube channel, and also share it with your friends. Let them learn these things that you are learning with us. Thank you so much. Thank you, and thank you again.